Hello, everybody. My name is Jake Huber, and I am currently the SaaS product coordinator here at RecorDEX. And this presentation is a introduction to our application RecorDEX. Just a small agenda for this presentation. We'll have an introduction to RecorDEX, what it is, why to use it, when to use it, the top 10 practical problems that are solved by RecorDEX, the 8 primary benefits of using RecorDEX, and then we'll move into a hands-on demo at the end. So essentially, RecorDEX aims to revolutionize your digital asset management with AI-powered capabilities. This secure digital asset management solution transforms how government agencies and organizations alike store, search, and interact with their documents. So essentially, RecorDEX is a transformative solution that is designed to support the government's complete shift to electronic records, aimed to increase operational efficiency, accuracy, and enhance storage capabilities. Its primary goal is seamlessly guide the government toward a fully electronic record system, optimizing processes, minimizing errors, and utilizing storage resources effectively. It accomplishes this by using the power of artificial intelligence to create a vault-like environment in which these documents are stored and searched by keywords or key information, and it makes it a lot easier than reading through every single document that you may have. So it's just a better solution way for the federal government, but also organizations alike. So why use RecorDEX? Benefit from RecorDEX's unparalleled expertise and unwavering commitment to excellence, ensuring a reliable and cutting-edge ERM experience. Proven experience. With years of proven experience, RecorDEX brings a robust track record in delivering comprehensive solutions covering custody to secure deliverables. Innovative technology. Experience our innovative scanning techniques, metadata mastery, and efficient data integration that guarantee accuracy and efficiency in the conversion process. And by choosing RecorDEX, you opt into a trusted partnership with a track record of secure, efficient, and compliant electronic records management solutions. So when to use RecorDEX? You would use RecorDEX when you are looking to transition to fully electronic records designed for organizations and government entities undergoing a shift from physical to digitized record keeping, such as the M1921 directive. Enhanced storage capabilities. It's definitely used when you are looking for optimized storage resources, ensuring efficient and organized electronic record storage. Increased operational efficiency. Streamlining administrative operations, improved accuracy, and optimal utilization of storage capacities. So, and these are the top 10 real-world problems that RecorDEX solves. Data overload. RecorDEX streamlines data management, solving the challenge of information overload by providing efficient organization and retrieval tools. Document misplacement. With advanced indexing and search capabilities, RecorDEX eliminates the problem of misplaced documents, ensuring quick and accurate access. Workflow bottlenecks. This solution addresses workflow inefficiencies, automating processes, and reducing bottlenecks for enhanced productivity. Compliance challenges. RecorDEX aids in meeting compliance requirements by providing robust tracking and auditing features for regulatory adherence. Security concerns. It enhances data security by implementing encryption, access controls, and authentication, addressing concerns related to unauthorized access. Collaboration issues. RecorDEX solves collaboration problems by facilitating seamless document sharing and version control, promoting teamwork and reducing duplication. Manual data entry errors. By automating data entry processes, RecorDEX minimizes the risks of errors associated with manual input, ensuring data accuracy. Lack of version control. Provides version control for features preventing confusing and errors arising from outdated document versions and edits. Inefficient communication. RecorDEX improves communication by centralizing information, reducing reliance on scattered communication channels, and enhancing collaboration. And lastly, storage challenges. RecorDEX efficiently manages and optimizes storage, addressing concerns related to storage capacity, backups, and data retention policies. Next, we have the 8 primary benefits of using RecorDEX. We have the M1921 compliance, which is the adherence to government regulations for effective governance. Virtual organization, efficient electronic record organization through artificial intelligence tagging. Optimized spending, efficient allocation of public funds for maximum value. A future-ready platform, alignment with the future technological advancements. Secure document management, worry-free handling of sensitive information. Electronic archival, robust archival and search capabilities. Storage optimization, cost-effective reduction of physical storage needs. And a customized user interface, user-friendly interface for record search and preview. And now we will be moving into a hands-on demo of RecorDEX. So as you can see here, this will be your dashboard. When you first log in, this is what you'll see. At the top, we have the total number of uploaded documents year to date, how many registered users are in the system, the total number types of tags that we have, and the total year-to-date visits to the site. Below that, you have the total number of uploaded documents year-to-date put on a graph so that you are able to see when bulk of the documents were uploaded. Here, we have the tags that can be applied to different documents, allowing for better search capabilities. Below this, we have the top 3 recent files that we have opened here. And this dashboard is highly customizable. As of right now, we have some sample data put in. As you can see at the top, it says Department of Future Technology. This can be highly customized to fit your business. And there's some really, really cool capabilities within RecorDEX. For instance, you have the name of the file type, how big the file is, when the file was uploaded, who it was uploaded by, and then if you click this tag here, it'll tell you when it was created, who created it, any modifications that have happened, the original file name, the tags that have been generated for it. And then if you go on to the next item over, which is a pencil, it says process the document. This allows our artificial intelligence to read through that document and generate a summary, which can be found here in the tag icon. As you can see, once it's processed, it will show a check mark here. And then next to the pencil icon, we either have an eye emoji or we have a lock with an eye. This one, if you were to click the one with the lock, it is password protected. So you would have to have the password to get in, which enhances security. Otherwise, these ones without the lock can be opened without a password. And lastly, we have the log section. So this is the file access logs, letting you know who has opened the document, when they opened it, and exactly what they did to the document. So if they modified anything, you would be able to see that here. Moving on to the upload tab, this is where you would upload your documents. You can either drag and drop from your desktop, or you can even browse your files, and it will allow you to import essentially any file type, and it will be converted to a PDF for secure storage. So moving on to the Documents tab, This is essentially a library of where all of your documents are kept. So if you ever are looking for certain documents that aren't your top 3 accessed ones, you can always come here and they should be very easy to find. The next tab, we have the Search Documents tab, and essentially you can put in a keyword, and as you can see, it will highlight exactly which documents have that word in it. Moving on, we have the Reports tab. And so this is more of a visualization tab that allows you to see some graphs here. As you can see, we have the total number of uploaded documents, the total number of registered users, storage usage, and tagged documents, as well as when they were created, exactly when these high points are. But like I said, these can be highly customizable. They are also drilled down, so if you wanted a closer look at the data, it allows you to see exactly when things were taking place, when certain documents were uploaded. So this is really, really good for, monitoring exactly what's going on when it's going on. But like I mentioned, these are highly customizable. If you have something that is of better use to your business or your agency, we're more than happy to implement that here. Next, we'll move on to the Betsy tab. So as you can see, this is our AI conversational chatbot, and essentially she knows what is ever in your database. So she is essentially trained on your data. So if I were to ask her any information that's in the database, she should return to me with an answer that explains. Let's see, that explains the data she knows in the database that you have. And you see she comes up with a response time. This is just what she's been trained on as far as our sample data goes, but this is highly, highly customizable. So when your data is in here, she will actually be training on that data. And then lastly, we have the knowledge base, and this is essentially what Betsy is pulling from. So what exactly does she know? These are kind of like your databases allowing her to see what's going on. So she knows what RecorDEX is. She knows what the M1921 is and how to comply with it, VODEX, and then the National Archives and Records laws and rules. She's aware of all of those. So that's the answers that we're getting here when you're talking about NARA. And then lastly, we have the admin tool. So essentially you have recent logs, and this kind of just allows you to drill down on exactly what's going on within your organization. So if you are curious about what somebody is doing, you can see exactly when it was done, who it was done by, and exactly what they did. Next, we have the KB management tool. So this is also the knowledge base management tool. It allows you to kind of add to that knowledge base. So if you were looking to expand Betsy's knowledge base, you can either upload a blog, a website, whatever the case may be, so that she's fully aware of that data as well. And then we have the connection strings, which essentially this is more kind of back-end management of exactly what's going on, what databases are connected, and things like that. And lastly, we have the build info. So as you can see, it was last updated on September 5th. It was a successful build. But yeah, so this is kind of just admin stuff. It's not really applicable to the average everyday user, but for the administrative overview, it would be really helpful. Going back to your dashboard, you have the date up here, and you also have a user profile here, and these are customizable as well. But yeah, so this is our product RecorDEX. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. Yeah, and have a good one.